Giraffe is the easier starting point for beginners, because you can use its basic rewards model without entering paid cash competitions, while Payday puts competitive 8-ball matches and skills cash tournaments at the center of the experience. By the end, you'll know which app is easier to understand, which one carries more financial risk, how the reward systems differ, and which one makes more sense if you're completely new. Start with Giraffe. The app uses a play and earn model. You play eligible games and complete activities available through the platform, then collect gems that can be exchanged for rewards such as PayPal Cash or gift cards where available. The biggest beginner advantage is the simple risk structure. You don't have to pay an entry fee to use the basic rewards system. You're trading your time for rewards instead of competing against another player for a cash prize. There's still something to watch. The number of gems you earn and their cash value depend on the current offers inside the app, so don't assume every game pays the same amount. Payday is more complicated for a first-time user. It's an 8-ball pool game with competitive modes, including cash competitions powered by skills. You can play pool normally, but if you enter a cash competition, you're competing for real money prizes under skills' rules. That means you need to understand more than just how to play pool. You also need to understand entry fees, tournament eligibility, account requirements, and withdrawal rules. The financial risk is different too. With Giraffe, the basic rewards model doesn't require you to deposit money into a cash tournament. Your main investment is your time. With Payday, eligible cash competitions require paid entry. If you lose a competition, you can lose the amount used to enter it. If you win, the prize depends on the specific competition. Payday also isn't available for cash competitions everywhere. Skills restricts cash competitions in certain locations, so check eligibility before depositing money. For beginners, that makes Giraffe the easier choice. Payday makes more sense if you already enjoy 8-ball pool and understand that cash competitions involve financial risk. You're not simply collecting rewards for playing, you're competing for prizes. So the verdict is Giraffe for beginners. Choose Giraffe if you want a simpler reward system with no paid tournament entry required for basic use. Choose Payday if you're comfortable with competitive pool and want the possibility of real money tournament prizes. Before starting either app, check the current reward rates, withdrawal options, and eligibility rules. Don't deposit money into Payday until you understand exactly how its cash competitions work. The key difference is simple. Giraffe is easier to start, while Payday offers a more competitive cash game experience. If you want more straightforward comparisons of money-making apps, like the video and subscribe.